Hi, boys and girls. It's Monday, September 14th, and this is your math lesson. So last week we learned how to write the numbers 0, 1, 2, and 3. We're going to review those again today. And we're also going to learn the numbers 4 and 5. So we're going to go over some flashcards first and count our objects 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we will go over our number poems that help us learn how to write them, and we'll skywrite them. And you're going to do copy, so you're going to do echo. So I'll say it, you say it. Number 1. Word 1. Number 1. And we have 1 turtle. 2. Word 2. Number 2. There are 1, 2, 2 turtles. 3. Number 3. Letter 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 turtles. 4. Word 4. Number 4. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Word 5. Number 5. And there are 5 turtles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Now, let's do our number writing poems, and I want you to skywrite it while we're saying it. So I'm going to say it, then you say it. You're going to do echo. I say, you say. Ready? Curve from the top. Be a hero. Close the loop and make a 0. So, curve from the top, be a hero, close the loop, and make a 0. So let's make a 0. Good. Curve from the top, be a hero, close the loop, and make a 0. Good job. All right, now we're going to do number 1. Ready? This one's easy peasy. Top to bottom. Now you're done. You just made the number 1. Top to bottom. Now you're done. You just made the number 1. Top to bottom, and you're done. You just made the number 1. 2. Half a moon. There's more to do. Slide to the right. Now that's a 2. Half a moon. There's more to do. Slide to the right. Now that's a 2. Ready? Half a moon. There's more to do. Slide to the right. Now that's a 2. Good job. Okay. 3. Ready? Backward C. Backward C. And that's how you make a 3. Backward C. Backward C. That's how you make a 3. Backward C. Backward C. That's how you make a 3. Now this is new. This is the number 4. Are you ready? Trace down the side. Cross the middle for fun. Top to bottom. Now you're done. Trace down the side. Cross the middle for fun. Top to bottom. And you're done. Trace down the side. Cross the middle. Top to bottom. Now you're done. Good job. Now we're going to do 5. Are you ready? Trace down the side. Curve like that. Back to the dot. And give it a hat. Trace down the side. Curve like that. Back to the dot. Now give it a hat. Let's do it without it. Trace down the side. Curve like that. Back to the dot, or we could say back to the top. Now give it a hat. Good job. So today for math, and I'll also play the learning video from our friend that you can watch after this before you finish your work. You've got 3 papers to do for math today, okay? You're going to practice writing your number 4. Then you're going to color 4 circles, count and color. Then you're going to circle all the number 4s. Then you're going to draw 4 things. 4 hearts, 4 stars, 4 butterflies, 4 circles, 4 squares, 4 triangles, 4 whatever you want to draw. But there has to be 4. Then you're going to do this. So you're going to practice writing your 4s in the boxes and on the lines. Then you're going to practice writing your 5s in the boxes and on the lines. Then you're going to fill in the missing numbers. You're going to do those 2 on your own. And we're going to get started on this one. So the one you're going to do on your own is your 4 paper. And this one says for your adults, Lesson 15 practice sheet. Some of you have it on the back, and some of you have it just behind it. And then together we're going to get started on Lesson 15, problem set. and then you're going to finish the rest on your own. So there's 3 things that you have to do for each box. We have to count and write how many. So we have to count the watermelons, then we have to write how many. Then it says circle a group of 4 of each fruit. So in each box you have to circle a group of 4. So let's do the first one. Let's count our watermelons. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many watermelons? 4. So we're going to write the number 4 in the box. And when we write 4, we trace down the side, cross the middle for fun, top to bottom. Now you're done. Then we're going to count the watermelons again because we have to circle a group of 4. So let's count the watermelons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Touch each one when you count it. So there's 4 watermelons. So we're going to circle all 4 because it said to circle a group of 4. All right, let's count the oranges. 1, 2, touch when you count. 3, 4, 5. So how many oranges? 5. We're going to write the number 5 in our box. And we're going to trace down the side, curve like that, back to the top, and give it a hat. There's your number 5. Now it wants us to circle a group of 4 of the fruits. So we're going to count 4 and then we're going to circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to stop right there, and that's what we're going to circle because it said to circle 4. Are we circling all of the oranges? No, because we had 5 oranges and it said to circle 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Let's count the bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you touch when you count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many bananas? 4. So we're going to write 4 in the box, the number 4. So we're going to trace down the side, cross the middle for fun, top to bottom. Now we're done. And you should have just put the number 4 in the box. Now we have to circle a group of 4. So let's count the bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you're touching when you count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. We're going to circle all the bananas because it said to circle groups of 4. So you're going to do these 3 on your own to finish up. And you're also going to practice writing your 4s and 5s on the lesson 15 practice sheet. And you're going to do this sheet on your own with the bear. You're going to practice 4. Write 4 at least 5 times. More if you want, but at least 5 more times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Color, count and color 4. So you have to count 4 circles, then color. Circle all the number 4s you see in this box, and then draw 4 pictures. And I will also post the math video from our friend. You guys have a great afternoon, and I will see you later. Bye, boys and girls.